Now, if you want me to send you, by the way, everything that I'm going to be showing you today in a full checklist format, all you have to do is drop a comment and share this with somebody that you think that this would help. And I will send you a full step-by-step checklist with pre-written emails, pre-done social media content that you can start posting, a list of over 400 AI tools that you can start promoting, and so much more. And all you have to do to get all of this right now is just drop a comment and share this with somebody that needs to start earning money online. Okay, so let's go through how I'm actually earning money, how I'm getting paid to promote different links like this, and how I would recommend you start if you're starting out as a beginner. So first of all, what I want you to do is I want you to head over to firstaitool.com/go, and I want you to enter your info to be able to grab all the freebies that I mentioned earlier. Once you're in, you're going to get taken to this checklist. Now, the first thing I would do is I would figure out, what do you want to get paid to promote? And there are so many different things that you can get paid to promote right now. You can promote AI writing tools, you can promote AI video tools, AI image tools, all kinds of different tools. And I actually recommend that you promote this tool just because they have a great affiliate program. So the cool thing about this tool is if I go to the bottom of the website, I can sign up to be an affiliate partner by clicking on Become an Affiliate. And once I'm in my affiliate account, they're going to give me a link that looks like this. And I can start sending this link to people with AI, and I can earn money while I sleep just using robots to send this link to people. And I'll show you how. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy your link. Now, obviously, you don't have to promote this tool. I just like the tool because it has a great commission structure. You can see they give you a 40% reoccurring commission to anybody who signs up through the tool. And you can actually earn lifetime commissions with this affiliate program. Not all tools will give you lifetime commissions. Some tools will only give you like up to a year. And so whatever you choose, just make sure you choose a tool that has a good commission structure. So when you're going through the checklist, just make sure to read all the affiliate terms for anything that you choose, okay? But in this case, we're going to use this tool. Now, here's the cool thing, is that because I've promoted this tool and I've been successful with it, I've actually done a lot of pre-written emails that you can actually use. I've also built pre-done landing pages and content and everything that you can actually go and promote this tool with. Now, let me show you, once you're in your account for this tool, what you can do is you can actually load in something called a snapshot. So if you click on the snapshot here in the checklist, you can open this snapshot up inside of your account. And what's going to happen is it's going to allow you to import this snapshot. Now, if you click import, it's going to let you create an account with that snapshot. So if I click on create new account and then I just add my details here, this will set me up with an account. And again, this is a tool that has a 30-day free trial. And you can go through, set up all the just basic info. If you don't have a business name, don't worry, just put whatever you want. And you could just put random info in here, just fill it all out. And then once you're in your account, it's actually called a sub account here, you're going to have all the stuff that I've been doing automatically loaded into your account. So let me show you what this looks like. If I click on automation here, and then I click on new email opt-in, these are all pre-written emails promoting the affiliate link that you got earlier. Okay. Now I'm going to show you something really, really cool that you can do that's going to swap out your link with all the links in these emails. But the way this works is you're going to get a landing page, you're going to get all these emails, you're going to get all kinds of really, really cool stuff, so that once you load this snapshot in, all you have to do is swap out a few things, and now you have 70 days worth of emails going out. So when somebody clicks on your link, these are all emails that send every single day promoting your affiliate. And so obviously, if you don't want to promote this tool, you could go and promote the other tools that I recommend. I have pre-written emails for those as well. But I really like this tool, again, just because I've earned so much money with it. In fact, with this tool alone, I've earned over $70,000 now just promoting this tool, and they pay me out every single month. So that's why I recommend that you just use the pre-done system. So let me show you here the way that you swap out your link. So in these emails, you're going to see it says whatever the email says, and then it has a link going to the affiliate, the offer, okay? And so what we want to do is we want to swap out the current link with your link, and we're using something called a custom value. So what I can do is I can set the custom value in the account to be different than the current custom value, and that'll actually just swap out the link. So let me show you here the link that we got earlier. Remember, you need to save that or just go back to your dashboard and grab the link. But we're going to grab that link right there, click on copy. And then if we go into our account here and we go into our settings, we can click on custom values, and then we can add a custom value and call it affiliate link. Okay. So now that we have that custom value and I click on create, that's going to set the custom value of that link for every single email. So anytime this thing's mentioned in all of the emails, which it's mentioned in every single link, it's going to point to whatever the value is that I set. And now all of a sudden you have every single one of your emails pointing to your affiliate link. Now you might be wondering, well, how the heck do I get people to even go into that automation? How do I start sending them emails? Well, all you have to do is go to your sites here, because with the snapshot I give you a snapshot of our website that you can go and change out your info on. So here we go. It says landing page for high-level snapshot copy. If I click on edit here, I can swap out whatever info I want on here, including the affiliate links. So here it says claim a free high-level account. So I can put here my affiliate link. I actually need to set this as a custom value, so it'll just swap it out automatically. And then you can change this out with your own logo. And if you don't have a logo, you can actually use AI inside of this app to generate a logo. So I can say, generate me a logo for an AI company. And you can see this is pretty simple, right? But anyways, once you kind of edit it how you want, the other cool thing about what I give you is not only do I give you all the funnels and the done for you automations, but I also give you the ability to take any of the videos I make, because I make videos about tons of these different tools, right? I've done so much content about pretty much anything that's on this list. And so you can go through the long form tab and you can actually take videos that I've already done, right? Let's say I've done a video on, I don't know, this tool. This is actually a Bitcoin miner. I've made a ton of money recommending this to people. But let's say you wanted to recommend that product. Well, what you can do is just swap out the video on that page like so, and boom, now that video is basically promoting the link below, and you get credit for it because you change it to your affiliate link instead of mine. Now, here's the thing. When you click on publish and people start entering their email, they automatically get put into the automation I showed you earlier, okay? And then the automation really is just the pre-written emails. So anytime a new contact is created or they enter their info, they get put into this, it's called a workflow. It sends the first email, then it waits 3 hours, sends the next email, and then it waits 24 hours and then sends the next email. And so what I'm doing is I'm constantly updating all of this stuff for you, right? I'm doing all of the emails, I'm doing all of the content. And also, let me show you something else that's cool. I'm constantly building content for you. So a lot of the files in here are all videos that my team and I are creating pretty much 24/7. And I'm out shooting content pretty much every single day, shooting content of cars, shooting content, of me. And so you get to take folders of all of that content, and you can pretty much use all of that content on your own social media profile so you can start posting it. And here's what's really cool is you can take this content here, you can download it, and I always recommend, maybe do a different song over it or something just so you don't have duplicate content. But you download it, and then you can go back into your account here, and you can go to your social media. And I recommend you just start scheduling this stuff out on social media. So what I do is I have my team go into the marketing section here, and they go to the content, and they basically put all this content in here for my approval, okay? So if I like this video, I can click on approve. Now, these are already approved on all these platforms here, but my team just goes and uploads content for me, and you can also just upload content if you want to just do it yourself. Schedule it out so that you have content posting every single day. And then once you have your content posting to, as many platforms as you want, you can see there's all these different platforms we post to. Then you're going to start getting people commenting and saying, yes, I'm interested in learning more about whatever you're talking about. And then from there, all you're really doing is sending them your links to your funnel that's pre-built. So all these different videos that we make here that get thousands and thousands of views and all these leads and comments, we have an automation inside of GoHighLevel, inside of our tool, that goes out and starts responding to all the comments and sending them DMs, which we have all of that set up for you as well. So you can see that this is a pretty elaborate system, and we're working on it pretty much day and night. Now, if you want access to the system, along with a private community that we're building for you, we also do weekly Zoom calls, which we're actually doing tomorrow. So you should get in before that's too late, because we are doing a live Zoom call tomorrow. But we're building all of these really cool things for you, like a private membership. We have a course that we're actually adding in that you're going to get access to. You're going to get access to the private group that we're building. And all of this is automated too. So this is something that you can go and set up for yourself, because you're getting our snapshot. You're getting all of our automations. So you can build your own group. You can build your own course, and you can use a lot of our content and pre-built systems to start promoting a lot of what we're talking about here. But it all starts with going to, again, firstaitool.com/go, entering your info, and then going and grabbing a free account. And then once you're there, you're going to get access to the checklist with all the step-by-step tutorials, with all the things that you're going to need with the done-for-you snapshot, and along with the updates and everything else. So again, if you want access to this, go to firstaitool.com/go. Also, make sure you drop a comment and share this with somebody you think this is going to help, and I will lock you in to getting access to all of this right now. So we'll see you inside, and hopefully we'll see you Monday, tomorrow at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard. And if you're watching this later, hopefully we'll see you the Monday after, because we are doing these calls every single week, and we do, again, meet live on Zoom, so you can interact with me and a group of other people. All right, we'll see you inside. Till then, happy money making. See you guys. Bye.